You know the script. Is this the beginning or is this the end?
You have buffalo wings, crispy batter, salad, cow soy, beef.
This is I didn't order this. It comes with
free, yeah?
the chicken wing,
Ah, right.
and this is the soup with the pork, I think.
So, been here 14 months. First time I've driven a car. This is Newie's car. So yeah, obviously she can't drive now. Well, she can, in her head she can, but I've been with her before she had a fall, and I had to grab her steering wheel a few times. So right, for that reason, she's giving me keys to drive us to a restaurant. So there'll be a bit of wind noise because we have wind. Huh? So you guys know where this place is, look. So it's Marine Beach. That's the street bar there. And swimming pool. And then this is the Marine Beach Hotel and Indoor Restaurant. We're here, look. It's Wednesday. And we're out for lunch with Nui and Jersey Girl. So I'll give you a quick look at the menu. It's not cheap, but quality. Pizzas, things, burgers, classic burger, everything. We are having Khao soy beef noodles. I'll show you. Even a not cheese platter. Looks very nice. Look. So yeah. And there's the Thai food. But yeah, all good. There's your drinks. See, I can't do nothing about plastic. But yeah, nice. All good. All good. So, a police station there, bottom of Chai Brook. Cheap Dave gets his haircut there. Like some crazy man that wears glasses and wigs. You know the script. So, give me a quick tour. Burns, burns, burns. See how plush it is, look. Plenty of seating. Shame there's no customers. Ambient music. So this is, I think this is a hotel and reception area. For all those bookworms out there, look. So already car. So yeah, all good. All is good. So yeah, looking forward to this meal. As you know, I don't eat out much, but Nui, I cook things for not every day, every other day. It's out with her, do her breakfast or make her a meal. And she insists to take me out to repay her kindness. Also, she enjoys the company, which is understandable. But opinions will differ. So we are sat here, look. We're sat here in aircon, look. We've got Jersey Girl. Say hello. Say hello from Thailand. And we've got our Nui, look. So we're having a chan, 80 baht. Nui's having a chocolate frappuccino, whatever, all singing, all dancing. Pronounce that. Khao soy gai, which is cow soy chicken. We have buffalo wings, crispy batter, salad, cow soy, beef.
This is And I didn't order this. It comes with
It comes free, yeah?
the chicken wing.
Ah, right.
And this is the soup with the pork, I think. Oh wow.
So this particular dish here, it's hard to find. I think it was Dave Strachan did a couple of videos the other day. Actually did one. It was a re-upload for editing purposes. So yeah, cow soy beef. Cleaned up. It was very nice. Time for a nana nap now. Hey, nana nap. I know Tom, but yeah, this lady here, look, hey. She does shopping at Tammy Girl, look. Hey, not Dorothy Perkins.